Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get ChatGPT on your Discord. At first just search in ChatGPT Discord on your Google Chrome and then click on this first one and then just click on accept invite and then go to continue to continue to Discord. And it says welcome to ChatGPT. So you can do this. I'm just going to click on all of the above and then just finish. After that, what you gotta do is just click on ChatGPT 1 and it says you must complete a few more steps. So just click on complete and then I have read and agree and then click on submit. And from here, all you need to do is just put this at the rate and then ChatGPT would come up and then just say write me a code of a snake game. Just click on this one and you see a loading option here, which means ChatGPT is working. So be patient in this part, and at the bottom you can see ChatGPT are typing, and there you go, it has already loaded me the code. And this is how you can get ChatGPT on your Discord. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.